Alright, so guys, we're here, and well, this is the little stream we're fishing in. It's shallow, just to kind of give you guys a perspective. Here, it's the little stream coming down off the mountain. There's probably a couple trout right there. Oh yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully we catch a lot of fish. And yeah, see you guys when we get down to the hole. Alright guys, well, we got down to the spot and I already caught one. And basically I'm just using a short or a little weight with a wax worm. And yeah, we're catching them. Kind of reel in a little bit sometimes. And you want to cast up and then just let it fall. Rocks are soulless. Alright. I bet we catch one. Now. Just my guess though. I don't know. Alright, that was like perfect. Third spot. Casting. Got one, guys. Need a squirmer. Right out the roof of the mouth. Beautiful little brookie. See that, guys? It's one beautiful little brookie. Release. See if we can do that again. Right there. I can kind of see it. Because it'll be really deep right there. Oh!